we have its augmented matrix is so here we can write this equation in like this, in the matrix form like this, -8 3, and augmented matrix means we have to take the right hand side also, okay, that is 6 with the symbol, never miss this symbol, okay, and -1 2 -5 -21 3 -6 1 7. So for matrix, and always remember that we cannot have the matrix form in like this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we cannot have the value 0 in this first field, okay, or first part, okay. So after this we have to make this term, so this whole part is the augmented matrix, and only this part is called coefficient matrix, okay, this part is called coefficient matrix. So that means this whole part is the coefficient matrix, and we have to make this coefficient matrix to the, so we have to make this coefficient matrix or upper triangular matrix. So upper triangular matrix. So what is upper triangular matrix? Upper triangular matrix means, suppose here we have the example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So upper triangular matrix means if the content, if the value below the, so what is upper triangular matrix? It means if the value below the leading diagonal matrix is 0, it is called upper triangular matrix. So what is leading diagonal matrix? This is the leading diagonal matrix, and the value below this must be 0. That is, here must be 0, here must be 0, and here must be 0. Okay, so we have to make the value here 0 0 0. So to make this value, so for this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. You don't need to write this row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay, this is written to understand. Okay, so we have to make this -1 3, row 2 -1 0 with the help of this row 1. Okay, that means we can write, apply row 2. That is, row 2 is, here in the row 2 we have -1, and here is the row 1 we have 4. So we have to make the row 2 0 with the help of row 1. That is 4 row 2 plus 4, sorry, R1. That is, it means 4 into -1 plus 4. It becomes 0. And here in the row 3 we have 3. So that is, so we can make row 3 0 with the help of row 1 by 4. So here we can write row 3, 4 row 3 minus 3 row 1. That is 4 into 3 minus 3 into 4. It means 0. So it becomes 4 minus 8 3 16, and it becomes 0, and here it becomes again 4 to 8 plus -8. It becomes 0 minus 17 minus 68. It becomes 0, and here it becomes -6. So here is 0, and here we have -5, and here is -20. Okay, so don't be confused. Here is, it is the leading diagonal, and it is this whole part is the leading diagonal matrix. We can have 0 here, okay, so but we cannot have 0 here. Okay, so if here we have 0, then the value, the system linear equation doesn't exist. I have done this question earlier. Okay, so it is the upper triangular matrix. So this is the leading diagonal matrix, and below this here we obtain 0 0 0. So now for this, from row 3, so here this is, you can see here this is x, this is y, this is z. Okay, so that is, we don't need to write this term. Okay, x y z. So here we have -5. It's -5z is equal to -20. So we can write z is equal to 4. And from R2, in R2 what we have here is 0 y. That is 0 0 y minus 17z is equal to -68. So here we get 0 y equal to 17z minus 68. So 0 y is equal to 0. So simply we can have 0 y is equal to 0, but we cannot have 0 y is equal to any value or any constant value, that is 1 2 or any constant value. We cannot have 0 y is equal to 0, this type of value. Okay, but we can have 0 is equal to 0 y is equal to y. So that means, this means we can write this term as like this, y is equal to y. Okay, remember this part. And from R1, in the R1 we have 4x minus 8y plus 3z is equal to 16. So here you can write 4x minus 8. So we have the value of y is y. 3 into, and here we have 4 is equal to 6. So we can write 4x is equal to 16. And here is 16, here is 12. That is, it becomes 4, and here is plus 8y. So that means x is equal to 1 plus 2y. So required solution of given a system of linear equation is x is equal to 1 plus 2y, y is equal to y, z is equal to 4. So here we have x is equal to 1 plus 2y, but we don't know what is the value of y. It may be 0 or it may be to infinite, minus infinite to infinite. Okay, so it means given this gives, we can write here, this gives given system of linear equation has infinite solution. Okay, is here we don't know what is the value of y. So it means given system of linear equation has infinite solution. So this is the required solution.